Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel pending orders on Robinhood. First, open the Robinhood app and log into your account. On the main screen, locate the stock where you have an active order. Example, a stock labeled space with a pending order. Tap on the stock to view its details. Scroll down to upcoming activity. Find the order, example, limit buy, that you want to cancel. Tap the order and then select cancel order. Wait for the confirmation message that your order has been canceled. Once confirmed, the order will not go through anymore. And that's it. That's how to cancel pending orders on Robinhood. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.